Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Instagram to Buffer, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To connect your Instagram account to Buffer, start by logging into your Buffer account. If you don't have a Buffer account, create one at buffer.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section on the left side menu. Click on that Add New Account button. From the list of social networks, select Instagram. Choose whether you want to connect a personal or business account. For business accounts, you will need to ensure your Instagram account is linked to a Facebook page. If you haven't done this yet, follow the prompts to link your Instagram to your Facebook page. After selecting your account type, you will be redirected to log into your Instagram. Enter your Instagram credentials and authorize Buffer to access your account. Buffer will then prompt you to set permissions for your Instagram account. Review and approve the permissions to allow Buffer to manage your posts. Once connected, you can start scheduling posts for your Instagram account directly from Buffer. Make sure to customize your post with images, captions, and hashtags before scheduling. You can also view your posting schedule in the Buffer dashboard. That's it. Your Instagram is now successfully connected to Buffer. Now you are ready to streamline your social media management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.